In this video, I'll show you how to change the profile avatar in Call of Duty Mobile. So all you have to do is launch your game on your device and access to this homepage. And then from here, simply tap on your profile in the top left corner. Here it is. And then from the options that appear, simply tap on Basic. Now you should see a brief description of what all your player profile looks like. So if you want to change the avatar, simply tap on the avatar. Here it is, tap on it, and then you should get to this page. Now you can scroll through and find the avatar that you'd like to use. So for me, I have all of this, so I'll just choose one random. So let me select that and then tap on Show. Now once it has been selected, it has been applied, so you can simply exit, and you'll notice that your player avatar has changed. So as you can see, it has changed. So that's basically it on how to change the player avatar in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.